Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a live look into what's happening right now on HCWB. So early this morning, we kind of recognized that there was some manipulation that's probably going on from an institutional standpoint. And how we picked that up was the fact that, we had this sell-off. We didn't get
filled.
a lot of bounces anywhere along the way here. And then at the open, we ripped right up to, what was this, $7. Then we sell off almost 100% right back down to where we were before. And then again, we rip right back up to where? $7. We create equal highs. We don't break through. There's no topping pattern here, just the $7 resistance. And then we have a huge move down again. So likely what's happening is institutions are sitting here at $7, not allowing the price to go through, creating these equal highs. And then they know that there's a lot of retail volume built up in this zone right here, right? So they know if they drive the price down, there will be natural selling that occurs because retail is going to get stopped out. And that's what causes this move right here. And they keep selling. They're dropping the bid, hammering the bid, and they drive prices all the way down. So now retail thinks, oh, well, geez, this must be going down now. That was a huge move. We're probably going to revisit the lows. So, they start shorting, and where are they shorting against? Well, they're probably shorting against the highs at $7, right? So there's lots of stops at $7. So institutions know that if they want to sell their shares, where do they have to take it? They have to take it to $7 because retailers are going to have their stop losses there. They're going to naturally buy shares, right? Because these are shorts. They're going to have their stops at 7, and they're going to buy at market if you take prices above 7. So basically what they're doing, institutions, is creating these traps for us retailers. And you can see they created this nice little trend line for us, nice little consolidation. Something like that. And maybe you can draw it like that. Probably more like that, right? Yeah, definitely. Get a couple touches there. Make it look like, oh, there's a fake out. We're going back to the highs. We're going to hit the top of this trend line. Nope, tap the top, flush down, right? Because they know that all the retail stops are lying right under this trend line. And they created a great spot for the stops too. Equal lows at 570. So you know that they're going to take these out. You know that they're going to take out 570. So they take it down. They consolidate, make it look like, what happens after a consolidation? After a consolidation, you continue usually in the direction of the large move, not when institutions are manipulating the stock. And that's what's happening here. So yeah, we go lower, we consolidate, make it look like we're going to go lower again. Nope, rip it back up, bring it back down. Then, okay, people are thinking, well, maybe we are going higher. Nope, we take it down and liquidate these lows. The low here was right around $5. Now we get the big move up. So if you know that this is happening, and we were calling this out in the Discord, is this whole move is buyable. I bought a lot here at 525. I bought another lot when we made a fresh high up here at 560. On this pullback, I think in the beginning of the video, you heard me get filled on my order at, I think it was 560, which looks like it was bottom ticked it. Yeah, I bottom ticked the low there. And ultimately, what are we looking for? I'm scaling into a position looking for a move back up to 7 because the institutions have told us that $7 is where they want to take this. And this is a great stock for institutions to manipulate because if we take a look at our scanner here, this is the leading gapper on the day. There's tons of eyes on it, tons of retail focus on the stock. It is the leading gapper sitting at 107% on the day. And the float is only 9.4 million. So it's likely that a institution owns a significant portion of this float, and therefore they can manipulate what the stock does. So the low float, along with lots of retail eyes, makes this a great one for manipulation. So we'll see what happens the rest of the day and how this plays out, but that's the game plan. I think this is going back to 7 and probably higher. So we'll see what happens, but I just wanted to give you guys a rundown of how I detect these things, what we're looking for, and how we're going to play them. So good luck out there, and we'll see you in the next one.